Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download the latest version of Microsoft Edge. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to download the latest version of Microsoft Edge, there are actually two ways that you can do this. If you already have Microsoft Edge installed, which you should have if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can open up Microsoft Edge. Then you can click on these three dots. So you can go to the settings. And once you're in the settings, you can scroll all the way down until you find this About Microsoft Edge tab. You can click on that and it's going to check if Microsoft Edge is up to date. Now, if you manually want to download and install Microsoft Edge, you can do a Google search for Microsoft Edge. And then you should get a download button from the Microsoft webpage. You can click on that. But I'll also leave this link down in the description of this video so you can get it from there. And then on this webpage, you'll find this download for Windows 10 or 11 button. And if you want to use it on all the versions of Windows, you can click on that arrow to open the drop-down menu. And then you can also download it for Windows 8.1, 8, and 7 or Windows Server. But for this example, we'll just click on the download button to download it for Windows 10 and 11. You'll see this software license terms agreement. You can just click on accept and download, and the download will start automatically. Once it's finished, just click on the file to open it and to start the setup. And then you'll see this downloading Microsoft Edge screen, and you'll just need to wait for this to finish so it can download and install Microsoft Edge. And then once it's finished, Microsoft Edge will open automatically and you can start using it to browse the web. So I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.